If the cotton pad does not leave any dirt on it, that means your face is clean, and this way you have applied your toner for the night. Hi my loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your favorite girl Amarachi Favy, and if today is the very first day you're seeing my face on your screen, you are welcome to my channel. My name is Amarachi Favy, and over here we do all this related to skincare, feminine hygiene, girls tips. You know how we do it here, okay? If today is the very first day you're seeing me, please remember to subscribe. Subscribing to this channel is free, and I bet you have a whole lot to learn when it comes to skincare and your personal well-being as a woman. Just as you guys requested that I should do my updated night skincare routine, which you know that is not that different from my morning skincare routine. It's just a little things I'm going to also be telling you in this video that I don't do in the night that I do in the morning. So this routine is a very detailed routine that can help you to achieve a glowy and radiant skin at night. Our skin repairs at night. That is the reason why you need to do your skincare routine, and also choose the best products, and also choose the affordable products while doing that. I don't believe that you have to break a bank for your skin to glow. I don't believe you have to break a bank for you to look good, for you to feel good, for your skin to pop like a queen that you are. Here we do all things related to skincare and on a tight budget, yes. So if the kind of video that you also requested for me to do, then welcome to the video. Sit down and let's just dive into the video proper. When it comes to my night skincare routine, I keep it basic, although not so basic compared to my morning skincare routine. My morning skincare routine is usually very basic because I might be rushing out and I just need to do everything as fast as I can. So I decided to just tailor it down to few products, and also tailor it down to target the particular skin concern that I'm trying to treat, which you guys already know that I have an acne prone skin, and also any skin that is prone to acne would also be prone to dark spots. So when it comes to my night skincare routine, the very first thing I do when I get into the bathroom would have to be washing my hands, keeping my hands clean. I would not advise that you go ahead to do your skincare routine on a dirty hands. Even if it comes to washing your face, using dirty hands to wash your face can transfer germs and also bacteria onto the surface of your skin, which will also lead to you breaking out, because these breakouts that we see on our skin are being caused by bacteria and also germs and even dirt, and also buildup of oil. So imagine touching other surfaces and then using that dirty hands to now touch your face. Your face is going to break out like crazy. So I would advise that you wash your hand. Get yourself a good hand wash. So I use this color hand wash. You guys already know that I'm in love with this brand when it comes to hand washes. Okay, this is the one that I use, and this is sold for 1,200 naira. You can pick this up at any shopping mall, supermarket, even markets. Okay, get yourself a good hand wash that you're going to use and properly cleanse your hand. Wash your hand at least twice under running water before you will now proceed to the first official step. To me, this is the first official step, which is washing my hands, washing in between my nails, washing in between my fingers, and making sure that my hands are very clean. So once my hands are clean, I proceed to now wash my face, which I've already done off the camera. I notice at times that I wash my face here, I tend to mess up everything. Okay, I tend to leave a very huge mess on my clothes and also on the floor, and I decided to just wash my face off camera. But when it comes to washing my face, after washing my hands, I'm going to go ahead to use this simple facial refreshing wash. This wash is mild, is gentle, is good. It's good for all skin types, whether you have oily skin, acne prone skin, normal skin, combination skin, sensitive skin. This wash is affordable and this wash is good for you. This wash is a little germ in a bottle. It does the job, which is cleaning your skin and also not stripping your skin of essential oil. It would help to maintain your skin barrier and not break your skin barrier. When it comes to just doing the normal or the basics, you don't need to get a wash that will be stripping your skin of essential oil that's going ahead to break your skin barrier. You need a wash that is gentle, mild, and kind to the skin. Which particular one is actually kind to the skin. No color, no perfume, no harsh chemicals that can upset your skin. And as you can tell, I have already used to this point. If you guys remember the time I restocked my skincare products, ever since then I've been using this wash and I've not been going back. Like, it has been amazing. Okay, so I'll go ahead to put a little on my palm, then lather it up and then use it to wash my face very, very well. So you see the reason why you have to keep your hands clean, because you're going to be using these two hands to lather up this product. So you're going to lather it up and then use it to wash your face, sorry. And when you're washing your face, you're going to do that for a minute, okay, 60 seconds. Do not be in a rush when you're washing your face, so that the ingredient that this product contains, which are actually very, very beneficial to your skin, will get to penetrate into your skin, go deep into your skin, enter your pores, cleanse it so well so that your skin will be clean and good to go. Okay, if you're doing your skincare routine on a dirty skin, sis, your skin will not glow. Take it from me. Okay, so once I'm done washing my face, I'm going to go ahead to now use other products. But for the sake of this video, because I already washed my face off camera and I went ahead to do my setup, okay, so that means I already touched, you know, a few things here and there. I'm going to go ahead to use wipes to clean my hands. So if you feel like you cleansed your face, you know, a few minutes ago and you want to go ahead to now do your skincare routine, I would advise that you either wash your hands or you cleanse your hands. So for cleaning my hand, I'm going to go ahead and use this wipe. This is actually for the face. I'm going to go ahead and use it to clean my hands so well. So well. So well. You guys are going to see the way I do it. I'll cleanse my palm first, and then in between my fingers, like this. Then your nails. There can be germs living there. Please cleanse your nails or wipe them, whichever one that you choose to do. So once I'm done with this step, okay, the next official step that I'm going to take when it comes to my night skincare routine will have to be using my toners, okay. And for my night toners, I make sure that it is mild, it is refreshing, it is kind to the skin, it does not do too much. And for that, I'm going to be using this Simple toner, okay, another product from Simple. This is Simple Soothing Facial Toner, 100% alcohol free, and it is also kind to the skin. It contains vitamin B5, which is very, very beneficial to the skin. I'm going to be using a cotton pad. If you like, you can skip it, but I want to use a cotton pad tonight. I feel like using a cotton pad. I'm going to dab some of the products onto the cotton pad, and then I'm going to use it to gently swipe through my face. Remember the word gently, okay? Your face is not your body, like, you know, your skin, that you say, okay, I want to be rough, I want to do that in a hard way. Please treat your face like a baby girl that it is, please. I'm going to be showing you the cotton pad for you to see that I really cleansed my skin when I was having my bath, okay? This is it. The cotton pad does not leave any dirt on it. That means your face is clean, and this way you have applied your toner for the night. So the next product you're going to apply would have to be your serum, but I'm going to allow this to sit on my skin for a minute, okay? After your cleansers, you're going to use your toners and let it sit on your face for a minute so that the products and the ingredient that it contains will go ahead and sit into your skin. I forgot to mention that this particular toner is suitable for all skin types as well. Any skin type can also use this. So when it comes to the first serum that I'm going to be using tonight, because I want to use 2 serums, okay, in this my updated skincare routine, I'll be using 2 serums at night, okay. We know that serums are non-negotiable. You might choose to skip toners, but you see, serums, you must always need serum in your skincare routine. I'm going to be using the particular one from Dr. Rashel. This is Dr. Rashel White Skin Serum. If you know me, you already know that this is one of my best serums. This is one of the products that I can swear by that it works. This serum helps to fade dark spots. It contains Arbutin, niacinamide. It helps to reduce pigmentation, fade dark spots, and give you a smoother and whiter skin, okay? I'm going to go ahead and apply it on my skin. I'm always very generous when it comes to this particular serum, okay? Very generous. I'm going to use a mirror to see what I'm doing. Please pardon me. I need to see what I am doing. So now I have evenly distributed these serums on my skin, meaning that I'm going to wait for 2 minutes for the serum to sit onto my skin. Then I will go ahead to apply the next product. I just hope you enjoyed the video already and you're learning a whole lot, because there is a whole lot you have to learn. This is skin layering 101. I'm already teaching you how to apply your skincare products step by step, because once you miss a particular step, the routine might not work for you. Do you understand? Ready 2 minutes, which I applied the other serum, and I want to use another serum because I am treating two things. I want these serums to actually help me to fade my dark spots, hyperpigmentation, and also tighten my skin pores. And the one from the Dr. Rashel White Skin Serum will not just do it alone. I'm going to backing it up with a stronger, more active, more reliable serum, okay? And this one is from the brand The Ordinary. This is the Ordinary Alpha Arbutin 2% plus HA serum. This is a concentrated serum that contains 2% purified alpha arbutin, okay? And this serum helps to get rid of dark spots. I do not evenly distribute it all over my skin because this serum is very expensive. I'm going to just apply it on those places that I know that already have dark spots and then pat it onto my skin. Just watch the way I do this. If you don't have money to purchase the two, you can just use one and it is very, very okay, okay? But for me, I want to purchase the two because I want to get all the benefits that will come from the both. That is the reason why I'm using them. You can pair niacinamide with alpha arbutin and it will not break out your skin, okay? Niacinamide and alpha arbutin goes hand in hand because there are ingredients that you cannot layer together. You already know there are ingredients that you cannot use together in one routine, but alpha arbutin and niacinamide is that one ingredient that you can layer together and you will not have any problem. I'm going to still use my mirror again and fetch some of the serum. This is how it looks like. This is what it looks like. Okay. Then I'm going to just drop and drop. If you notice one thing, you will notice that I'm not allowing the beeper to drop on my skin because that way you might be getting the products or the germs or the dirt on your skin and then be transferring it into the whole bottle, which is not good. Okay. So now I'm going to just apply this on the areas that already have dark spots. That is it, okay? That is it. I'll wait for you to sit onto my skin for 2 minutes and we'll go ahead to apply the next product. So the next product I'm going to apply on my skin will have to be a moisturizer. Even if you have an oily skin, sensitive skin, acne prone skin, I always advise that you must have a moisturizer in your routine. And for that, I'm going to use this particular one from Tomato Gel. This is Tomato Gel Repair for face and body, okay, but I'm using this for my face. This is a lightweight moisturizer, does not clog my skin and also make me to have a lot of oils. No, because most moisturizers are not suitable for oily skin and acne prone skin like us. This is what the moisturizer look like, and I don't apply too much. A little can go a long way, okay? This is this quantity I'm going to apply on this side, and also this is the quantity I'm going to also be applying on this side. Now I'm going to go ahead to just spread it, you know, make sure that it sits into my skin the right way. Using my mirror again, I am doing this. I noticed that in my previous routines, I don't normally use mirrors and I might not just evenly distribute the product. So I started to get a little mirror for this. So pardon me if you cannot really see my full face while I'm about to apply the products or while I'm applying the products on my skin, please. I just need to see everything I'm doing. So now I've applied my moisturizer. You see the way I did it, very gentle. I was gentle with my hands movement, okay? I was not going ahead to, you know, scrub and scrub. It's not a scrub, so you have to be very, very gentle. Is your face. The last thing I do at night, because I'm a lover of good, healthy lashes, I go ahead to use particular lash serum. This is lash serum from Benton, okay? This is Benton Honest Lash Serum, okay? That helps to grow your lashes. This serum works. Okay, the brand sent it to me as a PR and I go ahead to just apply it on my lashes. It helps to strengthen my lash and also makes the length to increase, like increases the length. So I'm going to target like the root of my lashes and I'm going to apply this evenly from the root to the tip of my lashes. Just watch the way I do it. So now that I'm done with my upper lashes, I'm going to go ahead and apply the same product on the lower lashes. You're going to use this tip to focus on the root of your lashes, and they're going to use here to focus on just the body. Your lashes, I can bet you that. So if you don't like wearing false lashes, if you're a lover of your natural lashes being so long, this is a lash serum that you can invest in, and I bet you're going to see results. That is it. I've already gone ahead to moisturize my lips, okay, before I started this routine, because I did not want to start this routine with my dry, chapped lips. So the last thing I do in my skincare routine, the last thing I do when it comes to my skincare routine would have to be taking my supplements. I do not joke with my supplements, and I'm going to take that and then we'll wrap up the video. I use this, okay, this is collagen cranberry solid beverage, okay, and this is what it looks like. You can go ahead and watch my detailed video. Every of these products I'm talking about in this video, I already made separate videos for it, talking about how important they are and why you should get them. This is what it looks like, and I've already dissolved one of these sachets in warm water. Remember, warm water, not hot water. Collagen is very, very good for your skin, your nails, your hair, so you're going to be the one that is benefiting if you're taking collagen, okay? And I've already dissolved it, like I said, in warm water. This is what it looks like. I'm going to go ahead and gulp this goodness, okay? This will help you to glow from the inside, because even if you're doing your skincare routine using products, you need to glow from the inside. You need to work from the inside so that the results will not be visible on the outside, if you get what I mean. Yes. This is the way that I practically layer my skincare products. This is what I do every night before I go to bed. Yes, to you it might be too much, but for me, anything for a glowy and radiant skin. And here you have it, my loves. This is my night skincare routine that will not break the bank and also helps to give you a glowy and radiant skin. If you have watched particular point of the video and you're yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, please do not forget to subscribe, like the video, share the video, leave a comment in the comment section telling me any of these products that you have used, or the one that you're going to use, or the one that you have seen someone use. And also tell me what your nice skincare routine looks like. Remember to turn on the notification bell so that I'll be the very person to get notified once I upload a new video. And until next time, my love, stay glowy and bye.